Yo, greetings guys, welcome to the channel. It's your boy DJ Odyccy back at it with another tutorial, and today we're gonna be talking about chord progressions, right? So I'm gonna show you like some of the tricks that I use to actually come up with some nice chord progressions, not to build them today, but to actually make them sound cool, you know. So I have these chord progressions and they sound like this. Sounds nice, you know, you can actually use it as it sounds, but what if you can make it sound better? You understand me? So let's try to make it sound and look even better or complicated. But for now, I'm not gonna do much. I'm just gonna show you how to trick it a little bit, you know, just tweak it there and there and there, and make it sound like somebody's actually playing this track, you know. So let's just get into it, you know. So you'll notice if you move your mouse on a note, if you scroll with the shift, you will see that it can move there. So because my mouse is not working today, I'm just gonna click on the Alt and then I can move notes like this without it being attached to a line, you know. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to highlight everything, click on Alt, and then just move the notes a little bit like that. And then now you're just gonna move your notes there and there so that they can sound like somebody is actually playing them, you know. So you can move this one, you can move that, and then you can even make this one just slightly before, and then you can just play around, you know, like that, and maybe like that. And then you can play this just to test it out. Oh my God, you can hear it. You can hear it. That sounds amazing already. So what you can do more, play around, you know, do what you can. Then that's what you do firstly, and then you have these sounding like this. Sounds great. So I'm just gonna do this. So since this sounds amazing like this, so the next thing you want to do is mess up with the velocities. So the first thing that you can do is actually highlight the one that you want it to be louder, you know. So I like the high notes to be a little bit higher, and then I drag this one maybe, oh sorry. So can do this. Maybe it's like that. Again, this one I want it to be high. Maybe this one as well. And then the rest. You can hear it, right? It sounds dope. So now there's a trick to actually do this faster, you understand? So you come here to this spanner here, and then you come to randomize. So on randomize, it can actually randomize your velocities. So you're gonna find it here, you know, it's gonna make your song like this. Do not panic, just remove the pattern, and then you're just gonna randomize the levels of the panning and the velocity. That's where I mess it up. I haven't like really messed up these parts, but just normally just mess up the level and the velocity. So what's gonna happen is you can mess it up the way you want to, and then keep playing. I like that, and then you can mess up the, okay, I'm gonna change this a little, yeah. Once you like it, it sounds the way that you want it, and you can just mess it on like that, then you have a very nice chord progression. And then I like it mostly even on nice pianos. So the Rhodes are dope, but let's test it out on some piano. So I'm gonna add addictive keys. That's the one that I like. I always forget its name. I'll find it. I think it's the Grand Noah or something, the Grand Noah. And then so I'm just gonna copy this and actually paste it here, and then remove this, and then let's hear this. And that sounds dope. And then, so what I'm gonna do, maybe add an EQ where I cut off the highs and the lows a little bit. Maybe add some reverb. I don't know if this is gonna be fine, but let's just add anyway. So if you like deep house, you like private school on a piano, you like that type of sound, you like what's that, some lo-fi hip hop or something, this is what you can do to actually get that nice feel like somebody is actually playing the song. And then from there you can add some nice keys. And I like to add this one. I like this Atmos piano. I think I'm saying this, I don't know for the how many time, if that's the word. And then you're gonna Atmos piano from Hypersonic, and then you can just play around, you know. Man, you can play around and do what you have to do. And then thank you for watching. My name is DJ Odyccy. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share so that the channel can keep growing. I'm back. I'm gonna keep giving you more tutorials. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Peace, guys.